I was dog sitting for friends in a big house on a wide open land. I have anxiety and was alone. At 2 a.m. the dogs sleeping with me started barking. I woke up to movement outside and thudding noises, thinking it was a burglary. I panicked and called many people, then non-emergency dispatch, and they sent 5 cop cars. When the cops arrived, I walked out with my hands up. They searched the house, but I was worried about the dogs getting shot. After a few minutes, the cops told me the thudding was likely the Roomba. I had wasted everyone's time and worried my loved ones over a harmless robot.